Hello guys, I am Anish Kumar from CSE 4th year. I am the coordinator of Prayukti of Gospel Category 2 event, which is for CSE, IT and MCA department. Gospel is merely a technical paper presentation in which each student from belonging from 2nd year to 4th year or even from MTech can give papers in their individual fields as per their interest. So we have divided the whole Gospel event into 6 parts. We have also included one extra category for the first year students that is called SAS, School of Applied Science, where only first year students will compete with the first year students. Now in mainly this technical paper presentation, we will see the innovative idea which can be come out from the student. We also will come forward, we can also see how they are actually writing a paper, technical paper, so that we can publish in a journal, or the way of writing something different which is already done. It may be like a review paper with a slight change, or it can be also some your own innovative idea. It will be just mainly on the application, means what is the most important use, or how much your algorithm or paper which you have presented is applicable in the nearby future. Moreover, it can be judged on various other factors decided by the judges. Okay, now this whole Gospel event has been divided into 2 parts. The first part is the paper. You have to submit the paper online according to IEEE standard. The template has been given on the website prayukti.hits.net under the Gospel event. You can download it, check it, and of course the first paper submitted before 8th February. And after once all the papers have been submitted online, our judges will see through it, and among those, some will be selected for the second round, in which you have to give a PowerPoint presentation in front of the judges. So and there they will be evaluated, and you will also be cross-questioned on what basis you have you can say this, or how your presentation is accountable for the future. Now the basic question comes: why to participate in Gospel event of Prayukti? Mainly there are some students who are interested in research work or higher studies. They should know how to write a technical paper according to given format, or how to represent the idea which has to be done in a very formal and official manner. This event will give you a chance to show your skills. You can register in the Gospel event by first registering into Prayukti. This is the website prayukti.hits.net. Go, there is a link called register now, and in that link you can register, and then you can participate, especially in the Gospel event. There are 6 categories, and every description will give you a contact number for the coordinators. You can feel free to contact them, and you can also like our web page for getting the latest updates.